One day, when I was in office, Jana barged into my room, I don't know what, and she mentioned about this exhibition and whether I would come. So she gave me a description, and I told her, if I don't have to go to Velikada, I will come. Hence, I have come here. I have read about these sports, the steam motor sports. In fact, yesterday when I told someone that I come into this, we didn't know that people are now interested in steam engines. So I had to tell them it is not about steam engines. It was all about motor sports. So I come here to encourage all of you, and to say I am with you when you are promoting this game. It has good potential, and I hope it also gets in to the school network. Now, my experience of this is limited to reading something online, nothing more. Of course, I read the other day there is going to be online courses. So I am wondering whether I should follow the online courses or not, since I am unemployed now. Whether we should follow it. Before that, no, I have not taken part in this. I have seen some controversies on the different games of Battlefield, but certainly not this. And now I am wondering whether I really should not look at these and then put one in called politics, which should be as interesting as racing. My experience, of course, is very limited in this field. In our time in the mid-60s, you are lucky if you had a bicycle, which I had.
Most popular creative campaign.
CBL Manchi Sevari category.
Of course, some of my friends got together and we got for very cheap, for a few 200 or 300 rupees, which is of course expensive then, an old Morris 7, I think, built in 1935, so it's about 30 years old. And we used to race around in this, because at that time we used to have these, what was called the Old Crocs race or the Veterans race. And we have I even won. And I considered lucky one for those who did politics. Other than me, there was another friend of mine called Niranjan Devaditya from St. Joseph's College, better known as Nerj Deva, and he went to the House of Commons and to the European Parliament. So I'd like to tell you, even in this, you have a good chance of going up in politics. At least you learn how to concentrate and how you can drive. But what we have done here is to get all our young people interested, and I don't know when you are going to take part in the competition. Now you referred to need for engineering skills. I think this is needed so that we really exploit what we have. In the old days, engineering skills were in our part of the world. The north was discovered by Aryabhata in the southern part of India. And that benefit came to us. We were one of the strongest engineering nations. If you look at the reservoirs we have made, if you look at the Dagabas, the others, I don't think it has been equal in any other part of the world. We look at, good example is Dhatu Sena, who built Kalavavar, and then his son went and built a palace on a rock, which had not been seen anywhere else. And we have Mahasen, who built Minneria, and at the same time built Jetavanarama, which is next to the pyramids, the tallest structure in the world. And our one was globe shaped, not the pyramid shape. It was much more difficult. And of course there was the Parakram Samudra, the largest. And if you ask Mr. Sirisena, tell you the best place to go is, I don't know whether you have been to Angamadil. Most of you go to Polonnaruwa. Have you been to Angamadil? Next time go there. That's where Ambanganga is diverted into the Mahavalley. And it's a very interesting place. Good to picnic. Can go with a girlfriend if you want. But nevertheless, it's worth it. Or you go to the Minipe, the Vadica. Those that shows the engineering talent we had. And it is still inherent in us. We've seen the craftsman who built a famous bridge in Alla. He didn't go to any university in England. He had just had it inherent. So this is one way of developing it. And as you go ahead, one question is, we will have to sometime go into drones. Drones are becoming important now. Whether it's for peaceful purposes like agriculture or military purposes. Wars are being fought with drones. And the cheaper the drone, the more effective you are. You can't fight with the expensive drones. You have to find cheap drones. So that's another area that you can go into. And maybe you young gentlemen and ladies, you can tell me what will happen if you apply AI to this game. You have steam motor racers and then you apply AI to it. You will have to find a new one for Yogina to see how this game comes. But finally the world is going into AI. And countries that don't get involved in AI will have to be left behind. So we have to promote it officially in our education system and unofficially through organizations like this. Now Yogina and JW have started this industry, this game, is entertainment, industry, education. So I hope there will be more and more support for it and we'll see your Sri Lanka winning a prize in the coming few days. I wish you all the best in carrying this forward and we thank her for having started this sports-industry. Thank you.